Hinusnas ako ni mo, di ba ka maulbo?
Yeah, see? You're doing landi-landi in Bisaya, eh.
Meron ako dito ganito. Kakain tayo ng noodles, breakfast. Tapos, itatry ko tong sili. Hindi ko alam to eh. Ayan. Ganito siya, parang labuyo. O sa gani ko na ning green nga sili, ding labuyo. Ha?
Siling pagsigang.
Siling pangsigang. Tapos yung red na pahaba na maliit, yun yung labuyo din, yung labuyo. Yan. Meron tong cheese, lagyan ko para malapot-lapot pero natunaw na. Hindi masyadong marami, kunti lang.
Napay alam nga lulaboyo, samantalang tuwa, siling hinog.
Espada pa. Pati kago ko sili may tawag. Yan, kain. Medyo maasim. Yan, try natin. Alam kong manghang to eh. Hindi ko hindi matry. Hanghang. May biskuit ari try na nato.
Tirahin mo!
Sure. Mga buang na. Try natin may biskuit. Lami mo na i-flex din sa noodles. Ramen.
Ramen?
Oo. Ginagawa mo.
Kaya bitaw ng mga bata kay Hasol.
Kapit naman klase. May 1 month.
Bada? 26, 28 sa may klase.
Ay, 29 na 28 man kuha sa Winil. Manguli na rin dayon tungkuan, mang bakasyon.
Kunin ko mag-graduate.
1 month.
Ayaw. Pwede. Kahit kabulan ko na ang bakasyon, tapi ako kapis bulan. Limang bakasyon sa Wilis yung ako ha.
Oo. Hagmagulang pa yung makuha. Kyle.
Ginagawa mo?
Hindi ko siya matikman. Yeah. I kain ice cream now.
I want to pick up my question or speak properly.
Okay, slip back na. That's melon.
You're doing doggy?
Yeah.
Ay! Vlogging pa more! Yeah, you are eating ice cream alone.
I don't
Look pa more.
I don't want to gakos you. You're bad.
But you can't report me even if I am bad.
Igata. Kasi you're igato.
Hero pa mo.
What? Era?
Hero pa mo.
It's your favorite. Marcos, left back na.
Yeah, vlogging, right? It's a secret, right? Enjoy the next moment.
Marco, you want halog?
Yes.
Siya. I'm audible?
So don't worry about it. We are from the same. We are from the same planet. Jupiter pa more.
No, your daddy is bigger than mine. Sana all.
Hey, those are not Didi Marco. Those are fat.
That's why.
Dancing pa more.
That's why I don't wear a bra because I don't have daddy oy. Very flat since birth.
Hey, don't feel bad even I don't have Didi too.
Baliw.
We are Didi less, eh? Marco, we don't have Didi. We are Didi less.
Nakaminos kasi yung tutoy nga walang-wala. Inos-nos ako nini mo, di ba ka maulbo?
Yeah, see? You're doing landi-landi in Bisaya, eh?
I don't say hi to my vlog.
Hey.
I don't want to say
Hello all, it's my second or third time, I don't know. I think it's my second time when I tried to interrupt your blogging.
It's only
We
memories.
shouldn't use our brain now, we used our emotions. So it's okay.
No, I use my bilat, oy, not emotion. Gikapoy, meaning.
You want to follow me na? I know you want to follow me, oy.
Bala ko gikapoy na ko English ba? Gikapoy na ko. Akong brain. My brain is removable na, oy, ingron. Ingron removable na.
Oh, it's removable like battery. From Samsung or any other phone.
Well, it's not rechargeable. My brain. It's almost dying na.
Your brain is not rechargeable. Oh. Hey, still you are so smart, Malco.
I'm bobo eh.
Happy. Stay with peace.
Sana all.
I am lucky to have you. You gave me a life, a beautiful life.
I will be here soon.
Yes. Follow me, patay me even if I lose maingay for 1 second. Oy, because you won't allow me to maingay. Oy. I think it is the best place where I can be maingay for a while. Few days ago, she used to call me Asawa, and then she considers me Sawa, and now sometimes she used to call me Yawa. See?
Oy, you're embarrassing me,
People change. Oy, what changes? Oy.
You're embarrassing me,
She wants to follow me. She wants to patay me too. I'm not safe with her.
Nagsumbong ka pa, no? Kasi, you're so annoying sometimes. Kasi, you're ignoring me 2 days ago.
Oy, nako po, Marco. I'm not ignoring you.
Sure, oy. Are you sure? Marco, si bye-bye na to them. I will end now.
Hey, no bye-bye to them na. We will see them again. Hope they have a better day. Hope they have a great day. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy your day.
O, ikaw yung taga